this is how you would use it to build a portfolio for just holding, not trading. So you start with setting up or configuring CoinRotator so that it tracks the safest coins. The safest coins are coins that are valued at more than 10 billion. If you want to make it a little more interesting and maybe your potential upside is higher, you can drop it down to 1 billion. Then you're going to look for the freshest trend streak. That means that these are coins that just recently started trending up. So we would click 1 to 5. Your broker is Binance, so we type Binance, and then we apply settings. So now you can see these are the coins priced between 1 billion and 10 billion in market cap, the freshest trend streak, and your exchange is Binance. So what we do is we sort the table for the uptrends in the 7-day column, not the 24-hour, because this changes every day, while the 7-day trend only changes once a week. So it's moving much slower. It's easier for you to get in and to get out. So currently there's only one coin in this range which satisfies this requirement. So if we were following this strictly, let's say only buy Aptos. So you click on Aptos, and you go to trade, and then you would click trade Binance, and that would take you to your account. You'd have to log in. That's the first part. The second part is you would have to actually do a little research about the trend of the coin on the chart. So if you're using a moving average, or you're just looking at the candlesticks, for example, that's an important component. Let me maximize this. Change this to APT. So this is the daily chart. As you can see, it just started, so there's not a lot of clear guidance if it's going to continue to go up or down. It's a fairly popular coin. I would expect to see a strong move higher, but I wouldn't go all in on this. I would only put maybe 5% of your portfolio in something like this, or even less, 2 to 3%. I'd be comfortable with. And that's pretty much how I would start off on this. Try not to do too many crazy things. Don't use leverage. Whatever you do, don't use leverage. And for fuck's sake, stay away from binary options. They're a complete scam. You will not make money long term on those. It's not possible.